Hey, y'all, check out these jello molds that I just received from the brand. Now it comes in a set of 4, and these are like soft silicone molds. They do come in different sizes. This is, for example, 9 cups. This one's 10. We got another 10, and this is 12. So depending on how many jello boxes that you're going to be getting and making, you'll want to decide which ones to choose. Now, also, it does come with some measuring spoons, so that's kind of cool as well. It's got cups, measuring cups as well, and the spoons, and I'm not sure what this does. But anyways, let me go ahead and show you the final result after I'm done making the jello. Okay, so after adding the fruit and the additional jello, the green jello, and waiting I think 4 to 6 hours, I tried to place this in a pan and remove it, but it was a big disaster. The entire mold got completely crushed and it was just jello mess everywhere. And I think I made a critical mistake because I should have dipped the entire mold in some warm or hot water just for a couple minutes, just so that it can detach from the mold itself before doing that step. So keep that in mind if you are going to be using these fluted cake pans or molds for jello. They can be used for other things, of course, like batter, to make cakes and other things. It can resist a heat up to 465 degrees, so it is oven safe. Now, the only thing that I will have to say about these fluted pans is I wish it didn't have the hole in the middle, because as I was pouring it in and lifting it and put it in the fridge, it was very unstable, and oftentimes it would spill through that little middle hole because I had to support it on the inside. So that was a little bit challenging. I think to make it a little bit easier, I could have probably put it on a very large tray or plate and then put it in the fridge, but then that would take up a lot of space. Overall though, I'm gonna try again and just see how well it works, but the product itself seems to be pretty well made, very durable, easy to wash. It's completely dishwasher safe, so you can just drop it in there as well. I hope you found this review helpful, and thank you again for the brand for sending out the sample. Have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.